Hello, this is Ivan Irons with CNCinformation.com, and I'm starting a new section on the website, and it's going to house some CAM videos. So I thought I would start with one of the best, SheetCAM. And that's really what this tutorial is going to be about today. What is SheetCAM, just as a general overview if you've never been exposed to it before. So let's get started. So what is it? It's really CAM for machining sheet goods. And by that, and by definition on the website, what Les is after here is sheet metal, plastic sheets, and thin woods. And this is really where it excels. I absolutely love SheetCAM. The proprietor or programmer on SheetCAM is Les Newell. He's a guy over in England, absolutely does a great job with this, keeping up on it, support. It's a great price. It's saved me tons of time. I couldn't say enough about SheetCAM. So how do you get a copy of it? Well, you go to SheetCAM.com. Right now it's 85 British pounds, which, you know, the dollar's weak and is always in fluctuation. But say $155 to $175 to be able to do CAM for these sheet goods. I'm telling you, it is absolutely worth it. I get nothing from saying this at all whatsoever. I am just a satisfied customer of SheetCAM. It's helped me out so much. Just go to the website there, and you can also download an evaluation copy. It's a full-blown copy, except for when you export or post-process the G-code, it'll only spit out 150 lines of G-code. So you can check it with your machine and add just kind of some end coding on the end of that program to make sure it works with your setup. But feel free to go there, download an evaluation copy. Here's a look at it. If you have it opened up, SheetCAM, there's a number of different things going on. I have this layers open, and this is a outline of an airplane. Tooling here, and we'll go over all this, just kind of giving you a general overview. Tooling here, the name of the file that we got opened up. These are our different processes that we're going to use on it, and you'll see this is plasma cutting that we're going to do. And this is my plasma cutter before we ever go out there, setting up these different start and stop points here and these different windows, and then doing the perimeter of the plane around there. A number of other tools and normal toolbar along the top. We'll get into all of that. Don't worry about it now. Just kind of wanted to give you a look to show you what the interface looked like. The file types supported. Here's a few of them. DXF, that's the one I use virtually all the time. Comes out of various CAD programs, kind of the universal file type for CAD. HPGL, this one seems to be more of a plasma cutting file structure more than anything. Comes out of Corel Draw mainly. A few other programs spit it out as well. And Excelon, I'm not used to this one. I've never done a circuit board, but it also is a supported file type. Now there's a ton of different post processors available for milling machines. I just got a couple of them listed here, Bridgeport, Haas. Plasma cutters, Torchmate, Dynatorch, Mach. I mean, just dozens of them that Les has in this software package. My experience as well, if you're trying to custom program something to your machine, if you go to his Yahoo group, which we'll get to in just a little bit, he's helped me out a number of different times customizing a post processor for me, for my machine. He does it for free. Then he posts it out on the website there, so the next person that comes along can pick it up. And the number of post processors out there has just ballooned, and just about everything under the sun is covered now. Great support. Again, I couldn't highlight this enough. I absolutely love SheetCAM. Les gets back to you. There's a number of people out on his Yahoo group, which is coming up here. This is the official support if you want to go there and write Les an email. And the Yahoo group, which is where I go for the vast majority of it. You can just drop your question. A number of different people, including Les, will answer it in short order, help you out. Then with the software, there's a number of tutorials. Now I'm making a few video tutorials right now, but there's also some that comes with the software to walk you through. This is very simple, very intuitive software to use, but there are some tutorials there depending on what you want to do. And if you're interested in more information, you can go to cncinformation.com. That's exactly where I'm going to be putting these different CAM videos that tutorials that I'm putting together. And what we're going to cover in the next one is the SheetCAM Setup Wizard. And we're going to go through that and show you how to get started with SheetCAM.